Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into planning a holiday gift list using Airtable, the perfect tool to keep your gifting organized and stress-free for 2025. First things first, log into Airtable and create a new base, calling it Holiday Gift List 2025. Now, why is this important? Well, creating a new base dedicated to your gift list allows you to have all your gifting information in one place, making it easier to access and manage. Now that we've done that, let's create various fields. Start with recipient name, gift idea, budget, status, and notes. The reason we do this is that these fields will help you track who you're buying for, what you're considering buying, how much you plan to spend, and any important details. This helps us because it ensures we have all the necessary information in one place. Next up, we'll populate these fields with information. For instance, under recipient name, put the names of the people you plan to buy gifts for. Under gift idea, jot down the potential gifts for each person. Fill in the budget field with how much you're willing to spend on each gift. And under status, note whether you've bought the gift or not. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you input the data, Airtable is creating a comprehensive list that's easy to understand and manage. Now let me explain why this matters. By filling out these fields, you're creating a visual representation of your gift buying process. It's a great way to keep track of your progress and ensure you stay within budget. Finally, use Airtable's Group By feature to categorize your list. This could be by recipient, by budget, or by status. This helps us because it makes your list even more organized and easier to navigate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a comprehensive, easy-to-use holiday gift list on Airtable. Now, you can track your gift buying process, make sure you don't forget anyone, and stay within budget. It's truly a game changer for holiday shopping. Thank you for tuning in, and happy planning with Airtable.